Hi, this video is going to be about the BMW head unit replacement. So this one is actual documented replaced in the dealer, and it was replaced in 2020 on February 20th, and the customer paid $2,300 with installation and programming. Okay, the problem is that 2 years later the unit failed again, and it was out of warranty. And this is another receipt for diagnostic, and this time dealer wanted $4,000 to replace it. $4,000, and the customer decided to send it to us to rebuild it. We did rebuild it, and everything is working great. And all I wanted to say that the rebuilt unit didn't even last 2 years, so it's kind of a shame at one point, but I can say that any unit can fail, and that's kind of normal at one point, you know. So it's out of warranty, and the dealer wanted another $4,000. What I wanted to show you is, let me focus it, that actual date of manufacture is 2006, 46 week. Okay, and this is another sticker BMW attached in 2019. So basically the unit was not new in 2020 and it failed. So they cannot sell new units anymore because the production is over. And I can tell one thing, when people are saying that our prices are high, I can tell you our prices are pretty good, because 2,300 versus what we charge, 650, but it includes programming and coding. It's actually a pretty good deal versus $4,000 today, because that's how much they're going to charge you today, $4,000 to replace it. That's it.